going on, everybody? It's Emil at Wheels Boutique here. I know you guys are used to seeing David, but unfortunately David's not in today, so I'm taking over the reins of the channel. I'm so excited to show you guys brand new 992 Turbo S. Came in this morning, got here, getting all my stuff ready, and look what beauty happens to just drive in to the shop. It's here for a DME tune, so it's going to be the first ever 992 Turbo tuned with DME. Let's take a look at how things are coming together.
So I looked in the parking lot today when I got... When I pulled up today, I saw a couple of 488s behind me, 2 Spiders and 1 GTB, and I thought this would be a great chance to show off the different exhaust systems. Now, I want to try something different. I want to try and get in on each of them, give it a couple revs, and I want you guys to comment in the section below which you think sounded the best before I tell you what each car has. So first I'll be getting in the white 488 Spider, then I'll be getting into the black 488 Spider, and then finally I'm going to end it off with the red 488 GTB. I'm going to try and keep it as uniform as possible, same amount of revs, same RPM range and things like that. Hopefully I can get these keys right the first time. So without further ado, let's try it out. What do you guys think? Which one sounded better? The red one? Black one? Huh? Which one sounded better? Yeah. Which one? The red one. Red one? Sorry, the black one. The black one? Yeah, I like the black one. So if you guys guessed the white one, that's actually the factory exhaust. That car belongs to our buddy Chad. He's got AN35s on it with some Innotech springs. If you said the middle one, that belongs to our buddy Carlos. That has the iPE exhaust, Innotech springs, Anarchy AN10 wheels. And if you pick the red one, that is the 1016 Industries exhaust from our buddy Alf. That has Anarchy S3X3s with Innotech springs. So let us know what you guys think in the comment section below. Is it the outcome that you thought? Let us know. Hey guys, if you're wondering why Emil was doing the beginning of the video a little bit role reversal, it's because I took a spill on my Ducati the other day.
Yes, it's videoing. Woo! Video.
And that's why I'm wearing this ridiculous outfit. It's not by choice. Got some cream here, Silvadine. Wow! Which is gonna help with the wounds. Should have had a viewer discretion as advised before I showed that off and discussed everybody, sorry. But I'm back. And I'm very happy to be here, quite honestly, because what we have behind me is the 992 Turbo S Cabriolet. I don't know what the blue is, but it looks spectacular. I've got midnight blue on my 997 Cabriolet, but this looks way more rich. It's very, very beautiful. Really dark tint with a black top. I love it. It just got the high flow cats from iPE. It just got the DME tune. So the factory specs on this, 0 to 100 kilometers an hour, which is 62 miles per hour was 2.7. Top speed was 205. After the downpipes, after the tune, this thing is probably gonna be even faster than that. The all-wheel drive system, out of control. I wish so bad that I could be in the car during the pulls to feel it, but obviously I don't wanna get any of this yucky stuff on the interior. But just looking at it, it's one of my favorites. I'm a cab guy. As I mentioned, I have a 997 cab. I absolutely love this thing. 992, this is the first turbo that I've seen in person. Our PTS Oak Green Metallic Turbo is also incoming.
Wow!
It's being shipped to Ben's house in the Keys, which we're supposed to get today. So I'm very excited to see that. That one I won't mind getting all this yucky stuff on Ben's car. I don't care what he's gonna do to me, but I can't wait to see it. Basically standing from the outside and seeing how fast it can go. Maybe my eyes can gauge how fast the 0 to 60 is now. But let us know what you guys think in the comments. Let us know what you think about the new sound and what wheels we should do on this car, because you know that we're gonna do some crazy ones on our PTS Oak Green Metallic Turbo S Cabriolet. But this one's stock for now. Hopefully we'll get some wheels on it soon.